Morning Standard 5 students. Today in this class in moral science we will discuss lesson 4, obedience. So we will start the lesson with the topic obedience. So let us see about obedience. So you can we will see about the topic obedience first. What is obedience? We should know. There is a short note on obedience. So what is obedience? Obedience is following the rules. Obedience is following what is right, listening to what our parents and others in authority have to say and doing as best as we can. That means obedience is following the rules and regulations, what is made for you and what is right. That right things are made for you. Anything that is wrong, it is not considered to be done, and your parents or your elders don't like that you can do these wrong things. So they think that you should follow some rules and regulations, and they give you order or they give you suggestion or they give you advice to follow these rules, and as best as you can do by following these rules. We should obey our parents. Our parents or our elders are always wishing for our wellness. So whatever rules and regulations or the laws they make, they are for our good only. So we should always follow these rules and regulation, and that is only obedience. What is right? What is the right thing that is said by your parents or your elders that you should follow? Like our parents, our teachers, the law of our country, and the teachings of God. So, we should always follow our parents because they always think about our wellness. Our teachers also, whatever our teachers are telling, they are also for our good only. And the laws of our country is also very important. These laws are made for our goodness and for the peaceful existence of life on this earth. And the teachings of God, whatever God has given us rules and regulations, that is also very important to follow to maintain the peace on land. So let us see about the obedience. More quotations are there for you. There is one very nice quotation. Obedience to God is an expression of our love for God. That means if you are obedient, if you are following the rules and regulations made by our God or made by our teachers or parents, then we can express the way that expresses the love for our God. If we are obedient, we are following the rules, we are loving the God. Obedience creates opportunity. If you are obedient, if you are following the rules and what is right you are doing, then it gives you opportunity to get success in your life. So every field of life, in every field, wherever you go, if you are obedient, if you follow the rules, what is right, then you can get success in your life. If any field you will not follow rules and regulations and you will not be obedient, then you cannot get success in your life. God rewards obedience. If you are obedient, if you are following the rules and regulations, then God also likes that, God also loves that, and God rewards those who are following the rules and those who are obedient. Obedience is our gift to God. If we are obedient, if we are following the rules and regulations, then we are giving the gift without knowing we are giving the gift to the God by our obedience. Now let us discuss about a short story given about two brothers, Tiki Tiki Tembo. The story name is Tiki Tiki Tembo, and it is a story of two brothers. We will see the story, what happens in this story. This story is also based on obedience. So let us see about this story. Long, long ago, there lived a small family of four in a village in China. It is a story about the country China. In China, very, very long ago, there was a small family of four people living. The parents had given their first son a long name. That means their mother and father had given their first son a long name and the second son a short name. The name was of the first son was long and the name of second son was short. The name of first son was, thus the older son's name was Tiki Tiki Tembo, No Sarembo, Cheribari Rucho, Pip Peri Pembo. This is the name of first son, that means elder son. And the younger brother's name was Chang, that is very short name. So two brothers' story is there, and this is very nice story. Let us see about this story. There was a well on the top of a hill near the house of this family. The mother had told her sons not to play near this well. One day the boys forgot their mother's warning and started to play near the well. Mother has given the warning to the children that you should not play near the well, but the children forgot one day and they started to play near the well. So what happened after this we will see in the next story pages. So students, so you know that obedience is very important in your life. If you don't follow obedience, it can be a danger for you also, like these two brothers. One day they forgot the mother's warning and after that they fall in danger. They fell in danger and they, what happened to these two brothers and how they were saved, that is a story in this chapter. So we will see the story in the next part of the video. Let us discuss about obedience. So we should always be obedient. If our parents are telling anything to us, they are telling for our wellness only. So we should always see that what our parents are telling. And in this hard words are also there. You should underline the hard words also what we are telling you. So all the hard words should be learned and it should be written in your copy. So let us meet in the next class. Thank you all of you. Thank you.